All right. Good morning. A bit later today, but let's get on with our watch list. Aussie Cat. We've got the monthly levels here on the daily chart. Uh, we were playing the divergence, so we wanted to play upside. Remember yesterday we spotted that. So if we played upside, yesterday we would have got profits. I didn't take the Aussie Canadian trade because I took the New Zealand Canadian trade, so it's correlated, and I didn't want to have double exposure. But yep, the trade worked out as well. Um, so today, um, yeah, I think we could see that the reversal from the lows could be coming in. So I would be playing upside on the lower time frame if we get decent entries. There was an entry this morning because of it broke up, tested this, so this area here. So this, I was asleep. Yeah, 6 a.m. would have been a good entry for this morning. Yeah, very good. RR missed that, so won't be chasing it. But if there's a pullback today, we might consider taking it. So that's it for Aussie Cat, Aussie Swiss. Yep, the low of high, sorry, high of low price, HYLP buy, looks to be finally triggering today at the close. So similar, we could look for, because this was the high of this, so the pullback, so same, likewise this morning would have been a good entry for the Aussie pair. Right now it's at the weekly level, you can see this level, so definitely won't enter here. Let's see if there is some pullback opportunity later in the day, maybe towards London session. Let's see if there's a pullback and a chance to buy back up again. Aussie dollar yen, we've got narrow range yesterday, likewise making a bit of a higher swing. Weekly, still some space to go. ADR, some space to go. Monthly has just opened up because of this high here. So yep, this one is still in place. So yeah, we same. We'll see if there's some pullback opportunity. So it looks like the Aussie pairs are in play today. Aussie, New Zealand, this level is still holding. If it closes up today, maybe tomorrow we might trade it up. I don't want to do anything right now because of this range. Aussie dollar, similar story. This thing has pushed up quite a bit over the last 1, 2, 3, yesterday actually. On the daily charts, it's just not very nice. Well, yeah, I would want some sort of a decent pullback because the move already happened this morning again. So all the Aussie dollar pairs moved this morning early. Didn't manage to catch it, so too bad. We'll just have to wait. Canadian Swiss. This looks like he does want to go a bit higher. We've got the weekly levels here. But nothing really catching my eye here. Still got this. So, and then we've got the weekly top. So not gonna do anything drastic today. Canadian yen, we yesterday we were looking at the white range and then a consolidation, white range rest, so breakdown side. It worked for a while and then it came all the way back up again. So right now we got the monthly level and the weekly level. We've got this trend line here. Yeah. Don't really like this, so I'm not gonna trade it. Swiss yen. Yeah, we got this support structure level here. Alright, so it's hitting down here, you can see on the daily. Now the only question is that, is there enough? Is there still any more upside left in this move? Yeah, you can see the swings are just not nice. I would consider this to be almost the same move down. This is how I consider this. So yeah, we could almost trade this because this went up, pull back, and then back up or a bit higher. I'll just watch this. I don't quite like it, but maybe viable. Let's see if this closes bullish. If this candle closes bullish, might be able to have a tight stop loss, but we'll see. Euro Aussie dollar, yeah, once it's like that, no trade. Quite obvious for me, there's no trade when price move in this kind of fashion. And you can see from the daily charts, there is no bias right now. There's no directional bias. Euro CAD, yeah, I was looking for the push up and the pullback, and then the upside. We got to be careful at this monthly level, but that's still some ways away, the weekly monthly level. So actually this one could still be considered. We will wait for it to break this trend line. Similarly, we could just draw a horizontal level and let it see if it breaks above that. Alright, so not super nice, but not super bad as well. Just not much big direction. So this one, let's I'll leave a note. Still rangy. Okay. Euro Swiss. Recently this impulse reversal hit ADR yesterday. So could have played the quick reversal. Didn't do that. Didn't want to do that. So yeah, I don't want to trade anything today on the Euro Swiss. Does look like it wants to go back upside. I say it does. I mean, we've got the weekly level here. Right, so this weekly high, it bust through the weekly high. Now it's bouncing along the weekly. So it goes up. We'll just set alert there. Euro, British pound. Yeah, this one looks like more downside. We got this move here on the daily, right? We got this push down. This is the pullback for this down move, and it looks like it wants to continue downside. Right, so we got this move, the pullback. Yeah, so how do we plan an entry here? Yeah, this looks like it wants to go down already, so you would have taken the trade here. I wouldn't have put my stop loss way up there. Yeah, you see your RR is still just not very decent, so nope, I wouldn't take this trade anyhow. Okay, Euro yen. Okay, we have one impulse move, so the break. I want to say, sorry, this is the rest day, so wide range rest, and then it didn't break out of that range. It didn't break out the range. My alerts didn't trigger yesterday, so we'll keep them. And we'll observe. We got the weekly levels on top and the monthly levels as well, so this is nice. Nice top. So let's see if we can catch the downside. Euro, New Zealand, so same thing. We got this push down, the pullback, so we're looking for downside continuation on the daily, based on the daily charts. Down, up, down. So how do we plan an entry here? Yeah, we could use some sort of a breakout strategy. So this would be a empty sell on the day, based on the day charts. Right, pull down, so this will be the pullback, and then we go down. Yeah, gonna highlight that. The thing I like to see is if we seeing some of the Euro pairs potentially breaking the downside, it shows that it's just overall Euro weakness. So it will take all correlated pairs with them. So let's see if that's the case. US dollar is just weak, so we're not seeing that here. This one is a bit of a, I don't know how to trade this, so I won't be trading this. British pound, Aussie dollar. Yesterday we got the ADR test, 1 time, 2 times. Went back up. Anything worth trading? Any directional bias? This thing's still up, still up. Low, we got to pull back here. Yeah, this push down is quite big. So actually, we should be taking the downside to this. Yeah, we should be looking at the downside. Down, but this double test here, I don't quite like, because it's more of a double bottom than a swing point. So that's the only thing I don't quite like. Shows that this bottom here has a bit of strength, bit of support strength, so I don't really want to fight that. I'll just put this as a watch, something to watch. British pound, Canadian, it's just a mess. So we got the monthly level here, we got the weekly level, monthly, new, this is June, so new month. We got the monthly level here, the weekly level here. This thing is just a mess, so I'm not going to trade this. British pound, Swissy, narrow range. Likewise, we got the monthly level, punch through the weekly. Yeah, I don't like this as well. I mean, it is going up, but I just don't like this. There isn't a nice swing for me to base my trade off, and I prefer to have nice swings. British pound yen. Let's remove the alert. Yeah, we were looking for the wide range, narrow range, or a wide range rest day. So we're looking either to break down or break up. It tried to break down and then tried to break downside, and it came back into the range. So right now I have no trade and no directional bias for this. Yeah, it looks more likely to break upside, so we'll just set the alert there so that we know. British pound, New Zealand dollar, bit of a mess as well. Yeah, I mean, the play would have been the push down on the daily, pull back. So on the daily chart should be a push down, pull back up. So we want to see it come back down here. But right now, it might be okay because we've got this push down, which is lower than this low, lower than this low. So pull up, and then let's see if we can come back down. Is there a nice trend line, or is there a nice level to consider taking a shot? Yeah, not quite sure. Not quite sure, unfortunately. We could. Yeah, maybe let's set this, and we want it to kind of break this. So I'll call this empty sell. We want to sell. We want to see if we can take the sell down to here or here. Okay, so let's leave it as it is. We got narrow range trading day, so it's punching up. Have to be careful. It's at the monthly level, previous month level, above weekly, so it's kind of like the British pound Swissy. Yeah, this thing is going up, which concerns me about trading New Zealand dollar down. Yeah, because based on all the other pairs, it wants to go up. like British pound, US dollar looks like it wants to go up some more. So let's be careful about this. I'm gonna write a note here, GBP, oops, write a text box and say other GBP pairs looking upside. Just a note. Okay, let's do New Zealand's Canadian. Yeah, we look at GBP US dollars on. Yeah, yesterday I took the buy earlier in the day around 10 a.m. my time. So yeah, I got a nice decent profit. I was targeting here, but in the end I closed out my trade here. So almost at the top of that move. About 1.3 R, still not that bad. So right now, no trade. This thing is, if you wanted to trade, it would be the downside because of this push down. All right, because of this big push down. So now we're gonna trade back into the direction of the trend. That's how I feel if we wanted to play this. Yep. Okay, but I don't know. I'll just set it there and see how it goes. New Zealand dollar Swiss. On the daily charts, there's just no directional bias also. You can see this. Right, you see the pattern there, so stay out. New Zealand yen. Still staying above here. No nice price action to take a trade. Looks like it wants to go upside. New Zealand dollar as well. I mean, we got this big push down, quite a big push down. We push down, up, and maybe down again. But it's so, yeah, it's so hard to trade because we've got levels here, we've got levels there. It's more of like a ranging than anything else. So let's not do anything. US dollar Canadian, yeah, we got a monthly level now. We got the weekly in play, weekly here. So downside, if you wanted to play, there's only a bit left. I mean, yeah, this could go down some more. But I don't like price action here. Nothing clean for me to take. US dollar Swissy, narrow range yesterday. Yeah. Would you trade this? No. Why would you trade this? So let's just leave it. US dollar yen, big push up. So this could be the pullback. On the daily chart. So this time we're looking back, looking at the daily. So push up, pull down, and then push back up. So the thing is that you do not know at which level price will reverse. So you still have to use your lower time frame entries. So I would rather like make a new high, breach this down, and we take it here. So that's kind of like the preferred plan. You know, I don't want to just take on this break because it might just fail and go back down. So we're increasing the probability. I just want to increase higher probability trade. Okay, so that's with FX. Indices. Let's go through this quickly. S&P 500 is just stuck in this range. Yeah, we're just waiting for something to happen. Nasdaq as well. Dow as well. Yeah. Aussie index. We've got the trigger to come down here. We've got this move down, so like always I don't take the trade like that, so I want it to maybe bounce a bit and form some sort of another swing, and then we take it back down. Other than that, no trade. Nikkei, it's just this morning we hit the top ADR, we hit the bottom ADR, so time to stay out. Just gonna put a note. FTSE, it's just still in this range. Yeah, market looks very, very consolidated. Looks extremely consolidated. So we can only wait for to see if there's some impulsive moves. Other than that, yeah, we can stay out. So let's look at crude. Yesterday, narrow range trading day, not much in it. We had previous month high because this was the high. Obviously weekly high as well. It just looks like it wants to go up some more, but I'm not gonna trade it yet. Silver, it's been pretty messy here. I don't like this. I don't like, we got a weekly level, monthly a bit up there, so monthly. How do I trade this? Pull back and push back up, because we're at this weekly level already, so let's just set some sort of alert here. It just goes higher. Oh, too bad. Too bad. Can't trade this. Gold, weekly level. This line weekly level. Also monthly level. So nothing too crazy here. Narrow range trading day as well. Yesterday, this thing is trying to go higher, but the weekly level here says it all. Yeah, unfortunately no. Yesterday I was looking at the trade here, a buy. Yeah, but I didn't hold the trade overnight. I closed it out. Yeah, didn't move much, only this morning. So yeah, that's the way it is. Sometimes you win, sometimes you don't get what you want, but that's the way it is. Okay, so we'll catch up. Take care.